Hey, thanks for watching this video. This one's all about a 30-day hair growth solution for natural hair. I will show you a 3-step wash day routine that will help you grow your hair long. And as a bonus, help you grow healthy hair. Just watch this video and I am confident by the end you will have all the knowledge and tools you'll need to grow your own hair long, no matter what condition it is in now. Step number 1, split ends remedy. So you'll always want to start on damp or wet hair, spray it all over. This is unwashed, dirty hair. I think in this video it was like 6-day-old hair. So spray, 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 and then just cover your whole hair, is focusing especially on the ends in the split end remedy. Now a little goes a long way, so you don't need a lot. They're individually packed in sachets, and the content of one sachet should be enough for one-time use. The point of this bundle is really to keep things as simple as possible for you. No DIY, no messes. I was just rub it in my hands and then just make sure I focus on the ends and just apply it all over. This is key for helping you against hair breakage because it might surprise you, but everyone's hair grows. For a lot of people, it just breaks off at the ends very easily. So look at the state of these ends. Now, if I don't treat them, they will surely cause a problem and start splitting and breaking off very soon. So the split end remedy will just help you protect your ends and help you actually restore past damage from further breakage and further drying. I do it in sections so that I make sure that I can actually cover all my ends. And then use the treatment cap, not on your roots, but on your ends. Watch this. Now, if you've got shorter hair, you could cover your whole head with it. But if you do have longer hair, it's just most important to focus on those ends. So use a scrunchie and just tie in the cap on your ends. This is the crucial step. And then you wait. Leave it in for a minimum of 20 minutes to get the best effect. You can even do this overnight. And while you wait, make sure you're hydrated. You can read a book. You can even listen to some music. Hey. Alright, when those 20 minutes are up, just I undo my twists carefully, gently. I'm just showing you this so that you can see that already my hair looks a lot healthier and moisturized. There you go. And then it's time to gently cleanse our hair. Now, we don't use shampoo because shampoos have a stripping and drying effect on the hair, and dry hair breaks more easily. So you really don't want to have dry hair. Keep your hair moisturized, y'all. Now at this point, I've already co-washed my hair, so washed with conditioner, and I'm making sure that it's completely wet, and then I'll gently detangle. We've got an amazing cleansing conditioner with essential peppermint oil and essential tea tree oil. Now these two oils are amazing, and they will help you stimulate your hair growth and make sure the condition of your scalp is in optimal condition, because it's antifungal and antibacterial. So super cleansing, but non-drying. Step number 3, and that's just applying the monoil treatment all over your hair. So you want to do this on conditioned and detangled hair. If you want, you can add a leave-in conditioner before you add it, but your hair's got to be wet. Monoil oil, which is one of the main ingredients in this treatment oil, has an amazing effect of carrying the moisture into your hair, into the deeper layer of your hair, and then sealing it in to protect. This treatment is packed with protein, minerals, and fatty acids to really strengthen your hair from the inside, which makes it so effective because while it's locking in moisture and sealing in the moisture, it's also bringing in a lot of minerals and vitamins that your hair needs to grow longer, but also to grow stronger. So you're strengthening it from the inside out. Now hold on, can we just have a comparison with how my ends looked before the treatments? Wow! Make sure you don't leave out your scalp. massaging this oil onto your scalp, make sure that your scalp is in good condition, but also you're feeding the roots of your hair where you need that protein to strengthen your hair. Because did you know your hair is made out of protein? The secret of this oil, though, which makes it different from all other treatments out there, is the flower extract. The TRA flower is actually used in medicine, traditional Tahitian medicine, so it's super effective in helping your hair heal past damage. And I think that makes it unique. So a lot of treatments will focus on stimulating hair growth or anti-breakage, but this treatment does it all. In step one, you restore that past damage, so you restore those split and dry ends that stops your hair from breaking. Then in step two, you keep your hair moisturized with the conditioner, but also you stimulate that hair growth with the peppermint oil and the tea tree oil. Then in step three, you nourish your hair cells from within with those proteins and fatty acids. Following this routine myself, I can honestly say my hair's never been this long, and I believe that anyone's hair grows. You just need to look after it and nourish it the right way. So that's why we've put together this 3-step routine. With this instruction video, hair growth is attainable. How to grow longer hair is the #1 question we get from our customers, and obviously you've watched this video, so it's definitely a goal for you. Try this routine out for 30 days and I guarantee you will see results. Make sure you measure though, because measuring is knowing, and especially on curly and kinky hair, it's not always that obvious. I am Shanaz, natural hair expert, and together with my twin, we get to live our passion of helping natural queens like yourself look after their natural hair without any of the hassle and DIY messes and nasty smells in your hair. Growing long natural hair should not be a full-time job, and there's so many other things you could be doing with your time. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video if you've learned anything and subscribe for more. Bye!